Good morning, students. Today I am sending you video number 1, lesson 13, components of environment. Environment, पर्यावरण, is our basic system of life which provides us air, water, food, etc. for the life on earth. Biological environment. All the living beings, जीवित प्राणी, which have life, which includes human beings, मानव, animals, plants and microorganisms, makes the biological environment. The plants and trees, पौधे और पेड़, support and produces the matter for microorganisms. सूक्ष्म प्राणी, plants and animals. Social environment. A social environment has been created by human beings, मानव, because he can change the environment, पर्यावरण को बदलाव कर सकता है. A man has changed the environment by doing construction. इंसान ने पर्यावरण को बिल्कुल बदल दिया है by doing construction, निर्माण, like buildings, bridges, etc. All the components, पर्यावरण के पुर्जे और parts of the environment आर इंटरडिपेंडेंट, एक दूसरे पर निर्भर हैं एंड इंटरैक्ट विद ईच अदर. डिविजन्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, पर्यावरण के डिवीजन. द एनवायरनमेंट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 स्पीयर्स. फर्स्ट इज एटमोस्फियर, लिथोस्फियर, हाइड्रोस्फियर, बायोस्फियर. एटमोस्फियर. द अर्थ इज द ओनली प्लैनेट, ग्रह है, विच हैज़ लाइफ, जिंदगी, ऑन द अर्थ. The atmosphere has air and gases. The length of the atmosphere is about 1000 km approximately, लगभग. Gravity, गुरुत्वाकर्षण, is holding the atmosphere, वायुमंडल. The atmosphere, वायुमंडल, is made up of mixture of gas molecules. Usefulness of atmosphere, वायुमंडल की उपयोगिता. Only Earth is a planet, ग्रह, which has atmosphere, वायुमंडल. Atmosphere is useful for the survival, जीवित रहने के लिए, of living beings. Without air, वायु, there would have been no life on the earth. बगैर वायु के जीवन संभव नहीं था पृथ्वी पर. The atmosphere is just like an envelope which protects the earth from cosmic rays, सूर्य की किरणें. The atmosphere has protected us from meteors, ध्रुव तारे. The meteors are shooting stars. Meteors एक shooting stars होते हैं which gets burnt, जो जल जाते हैं पृथ्वी की सतह पर आने तक वो जल जाते हैं before reaching the earth's surface. Radio communication, दूरसंचार is possible because they strike, टकराना, the atmosphere and return back with which makes communication possible. If atmosphere was not there, अगर वायुमंडल ना होता, then sound waves would have traveled into space. Lithosphere, the solid, कठोर सतह पृथ्वी की, is called lithosphere. Litho means rock. The thickness of lithosphere is more on the continents, that is land, and the thickness on the oceans is less. The lithosphere is having different types of landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. Lithosphere is very important for man as we build houses on it and grows food on the lithosphere. Hydrosphere. The water bodies on the earth makes the hydrosphere. Rivers, lakes, झील, seas and oceans form this sphere. More than 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. पृथ्वी पर कम से कम 70% पानी है. Water is necessary. पानी बहुत ज़रूरी है. For all forms of life on the earth, oceans also give us food and minerals, खनिज. Biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone on the earth where land, water and air meet. All the living organisms, जीवित प्राणी, plants and animals live in this zone. Many variety of plants and animals are found on the earth. Human beings, मानव, are also part of this biosphere. There is variety of species, प्रजाति, found on the earth. This is called biodiversity.